Hey everybody, it's Neil, and one thing I always need are battery packs. So I'm always running out of batteries on my phone and my iPad and everything else I have. And this one here is it says 1,000 amp hour. I'm gonna guess it's probably 10,000. Let's check it out and see. Okay, so we have a power bank and we have a roll of instructions in there, but we'll try to figure it out without the instructions. So this is it here. It says it's 10,000 amp hours, so that's what I was expecting. And so this is it here. It says safety in, power out. I like the way it's white. So it came with a 79% of the charge. It's got built-in wires for lightning, so if you have an older style iPhone, or if you have USB-C for the newer style iPhones like that, or if you're any other device. It also has a USB-C port and a USB port. Looks like two USB-C ports, I guess is what it is in there. So me, I have a lightning connector on this phone over here. So let's plug it in and see, it's charging. So there we go, 85% charged already. So this will charge it so that I can just kind of hold it with my phone and just keep it next to my phone and it'll keep nice and charged. So how cool is that? So a very nice little charger. I'm gonna take this out for a second and just show you guys. It's nice and light, but it's 10,000. So it's gonna be able to charge an iPhone probably almost all the way and then some. So you can do that on a little one. On my iPad, it would get it probably 75% charged, I guess. Usually is what these 10,000 ones are. But this one seems pretty nice to me. I like it. Super easy to use. And I guess I should just charge it. I can probably just plug this into my USB-C port on my other device or plug a wire in. So there we go. It even has 10,000 written huge right there. So great little thing. It's kind of rubbery a little bit on the bottom, so it's kind of it won't slide so much. Got a little bit of that to it, but really cool. I like it. Thumbs up.